How to change date of birth in your Google account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and in this video we will see how we can change the date of birth in Google account. So let's get started. First of all, open up Google Chrome in your device and then make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, now you have to navigate to top right corner and click on your profile icon right here. Now from this box, again click on manage your Google account. That's gonna take you to this page. Now from here, again navigate to your left hand side, and from this menu bar click on the second option that says personal info. Now under personal info, if you scroll down a bit, under basic info there is your birthday. If you click on it, that's gonna take you to next page. Now from here you can update your birthday or change the date of birth as you wish. You can simply change your month, day and year. After that, click on save. And with that, your date of birth will be changed in your Google account. So this is the way to change birth date in your Google account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial.